I think the benefits of commissioning experience are huge. You get a front row seat to actually see things go into service.
When you're on a commissioning project, there's a lot of the technical stuff, the details, the engineering, but then there's also the customers and how you interact and understand all the various need drivers and putting that all together. In leadership, you deal with that all the time. You have to find out what's the biggest need, what's the biggest priority.
Well, most engineers, they got into the field because they like to see things built, they like to see things come together. The commissioning role really gives you that opportunity. Be in the field, see it come together, help people make it work.
Plans change a lot, which I think is a good thing to be agile. In the industry we're in now, things are changing very quickly. So having that skill set to be able to pivot on short notice and make good decisions has been very beneficial for me as I've moved through my career.
It just really gives you a broad sense of what it really takes to keep the lights on. It's a great field, it's very high in demand.
It's very much a growth opportunity.
Personally, it was one of the best jobs I've ever had. I really enjoyed it.